Common idioms in English. Idioms. Meanings. I am all ears. You have my full attention. In hot water. Be in trouble. In the same boat. Be in the same situation. It cost an arm and a leg. It was expensive. It's in the bag. It's a certainty. Let the cat out of the bag. Tell a secret. Miss the boat. You missed your chance. Idioms. Meanings. Night owl. Someone who stays up late. Out of the blue. With no warning. Pass with flying colors. To succeed at something easily. Raining cats and dogs. It's raining very hard. See eye to eye. Agree. When pigs fly, to say something is impossible. Wolf in sheep's clothing. A person who pretends to be nice but is not. Horse of a different color. Something that is quite different, a separate issue. Hot dog. A person doing athletic stunts that is dangerous. Humbu jumbu. To call something total nonsense.